Living for the love of you. So those are like mainly the chords. And so just kind of keep in mind that G major seventh is an important chord to know. B minor, and that's another important one. F sharp minor, actually like flat six, as well as F sharp minor. So it's just pretty much landing your middle finger on the third fret of the B string, back to the major seventh, the G major seventh, A11, D major, or D major seventh actually, and E minor. That's an important one. I want to say those are all the chords. So anyway, the song starts out now. It may be unrecognizable, but the thing is, it's actually G major seventh, but that bass line, the way it's going, I'm saying? So it does that. Then drifting on the memory. Ain't no, you know what I'm saying? That's where it does that. So just keep that in mind. So I'm playing the chords very straightforward. Why it sound like that? People got the stuff, they got the little stuff that they want to say. But that's why, okay? Because you're hearing multiple instruments. And yeah, so living for the love of you. Drifting on a memory. Then D major seven. So that particular walk up is F sharp, okay? So think about the F sharp. So we're on this second fret that we're barring, and we're playing the F sharp minor. But remember your middle finger right here, put it on that third fret of the B string. Then G major seventh, okay? Then A11. That's like the verse. You know what I'm saying? So ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. The D major seventh can be played like this, or like this. Either way. So like the open one is like the open D, and then all the one finger on the second fret on the E, B, and G string. This is like the open C major shape, but you're gonna bar on the second fret to play this. And just lift your middle finger. This particular shape is like the open A major in the Cage system, but go to the fifth fret, bar it, play the same shape, but you're gonna, on the G string, flat that like one note. So that's it. And there are a couple other ways to play it. You got, drop two shapes, you got, all types of things. But oh. Okay. Now, how would you want to play this? Would you want to like finger pick, or would you want to strum? I say if you do strum, play with the edges of your pick. Okay. Play with the edges of your pick. Play with whether or not you want to use the pointed side, the back side, or the side. They're all going to give you like a different way to strum. It's almost like if you use the other edges of the pick, it's almost like using the edges of your thumb. So it kind of works. So if I go this way, like and I can't necessarily say, do you want to just up down the whole thing? So I don't know that that's this type of song. So I feel like a shuffle. So like there'll be some double downs and as opposed to double ups. Okay, so the first downs were no up in between. Then there were some ups in between, and then I double down a couple of times. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, so. So it's like that type of vibe. So that's with my thumb. Here's with the pick. If I use this side, well, the pointed one, it's a little abrasive. Not bad if you hold the pick lightly. If I hold it too tight, it can be a little too loud. But if I put it on its side, you know what I'm saying, like this. So it may give you a little bit, some more options. Okay. Now, or you can just finger pick and it almost have not a salsa feel. I'm not saying that, but you can kind of give it. And then again. So it's like playing with different rhythms. Then G major 7th. That's F sharp minor. This is E minor open. And then A11. So that's like the last part of the verse, kind of leading back into the chorus. So it goes. Might as well. It's just about all that I can do. B minor. Dun, 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 dun. I wanna be living. I wanna be. I'm up here. I wanna be living for the love of you. All that I'm giving is for the love. Every day I'm not a guitar and singer guy. I'm like trying to describe it, but that's pretty much how you play the song. So yeah, G, the first part, the first chorus, which is you got the solo part. Then it does the thing where it's ooh, drifting on a memory. Ooh, ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. So that's pretty much the song. It's just a matter of getting the rhythm right. Than with you. So there's one way to look at it. Or if you just want to keep it straight triads, it's not gonna sound as cool if you're playing it by yourself. If you're playing it by yourself, I would use the bass notes. So if you're playing by yourself, definitely play the lower strings. But if you're playing in a band situation, you know what I'm saying? These are the same notes I played with this. But you're just doing this. So. And with you. So pretty much you're playing the same chords, you're just playing the first 4 strings. That's pretty much it. I'm just leaving the bass note out. So I'm playing the same exact thing. And then back to the G major 7th, I'm just playing E, B, G, D strings. Might as well. Da 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 da. Better time with them. Da 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 da. About all that I can do. And that's the B minor right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can color it up how you want to color it up. Let's play with and without it. Okay. So that's pretty much the song. So just know, again, chorus is G major 7th. For the love of you. B minor. So G major 7th, then B minor. Or B minor 7th. The verse is walking up from F sharp, G to A. And the F sharp is like a F sharp flat 6. Then G major 7th. Then A11. So it's that walk up. It does that twice. Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. D major 7th. Okay. So it does the F sharp G A. F sharp G A. It does that twice. And then it goes to the D major 7th. And the bass line does, do the, bass line wise. Boom, doo, doo, boom, doo. Yeah, so I had to think about it before I did it. Then and again, that's the part at the end of the verse where it's going back into the chorus, and that is G major 7th, F sharp minor, E minor, A11. Does that twice. G major 7th, F sharp minor, E minor, A11, B minor. Boom, doom, 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 doom. Back. Let's go back on this. Let's go back to that part. Da, da, da. Dun, dun, dun. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. That's not all I can do. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna be living for the love of you. I wanna be living. So that's what it is. So I hope that was helpful for any of you who were, wanting to just know the chords or know your way around the song. Just keep that in mind. D major. Here's the B minor that is relative to. And again, you got D. Then you got the B minor. Same exact notes, just played in a different order. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I've been getting my voice together. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I've been kind of working around some things with my voice. So please don't mind that. I'm just working on something. All right. So all right. Hope this was helpful, and see y'all later. Peace.